There is a widening gap in the modern economy. While many remain hesitant to use artificial intelligence, a small group of founders and CEOs are already using it to multiply their output and drive significant revenue. The shift in the job market is real. Legacy roles are disappearing, but AI is creating new, high-leverage opportunities for those who start using it now. We are going to build a 7-step workflow from the ground up in 6 minutes. You don't need a computer science degree or any coding experience to follow along. These steps focus on delegating repetitive tasks. By automating your search, email, and research, you can redirect hours of manual effort toward more important work. Step 1 is a simple habit change. Replace your search engine. Download an AI app like ChatGPT or Gemini and use the voice mode for your daily questions instead of typing into a search bar. Compare the time spent. Finding specific news or travel details manually usually takes about 15 minutes of filtering through links. An AI voice query provides a direct, synthesized answer in 15 seconds. Step 2 applies this speed to your daily communication, specifically your email inbox. Instead of reading 50 separate threads, command an AI to summarize your messages. It scans the data and pulls out high-priority items instantly. Connecting AI to your search and communication shifts your role. You spend less time gathering raw information and more time making decisions based on it. Most people get poor results because they use vague prompts. Asking an AI to simply improve my resume usually leads to a generic, robotic response that isn't very useful. To get professional-grade results, use the iOS framework. This structure ensures the AI has all the context it needs to be precise. I is the instruction. You tell the AI exactly what role to take. For example, rewrite my resume. O is the output format. You define the structure, provide bullet points. S is for specific information. Add your data, like 3 years of experience. When you combine these three, the quality of the draft improves significantly. Using this framework changes the relationship with the tool. It allows you to treat a generic chatbot like a precise, specialized assistant. Step 4 scales this approach to more demanding office tasks, like building entire presentations. You can use the iOS framework to generate a content outline and then move it into an AI design tool. This automates layout, the image selection, and the formatting. You can also use this for complex research. Manually cross-referencing PDFs, web articles, and video transcripts takes hours of focused attention. By funneling those diverse sources into an AI research tool, you get a single synthesis of the data. You can then ask questions to find facts in seconds. Step 5 involves creative production. High-end visual assets usually require a studio, a crew, and a significant budget. This commercial-quality product shot was created using a text prompt. For many businesses, this replaces the need for expensive photographers and long editing cycles. From deep research to visual design, these tools significantly reduce the time and capital needed to produce high-quality work. Step 6 uses the no-code approach. You can now use plain English to perform tasks that used to require programming knowledge. You can describe a personal expense tracker to an AI, and it can build a functional tool with calculators and dashboards based on your description. Step 7 is the use of AI agents. This moves you beyond generating content and into managing automated processes. An agent can perform background tasks, like monitoring competitor activity or finding new leads. It collects the data and updates your records without you needing to manually trigger the search. Managing agents shifts your focus from doing individual tasks to designing the logic that drives your whole workflow. We have covered the full roadmap, from basic voice queries, inbox summaries, to building apps and deploying agents. When you combine these tools, you address the cumulative hours typically spent on email, admin, and research. This workflow is designed to save 3 to 4 hours of manual effort every day. The infrastructure for this is already in place. These tools are available for anyone to use today. Success in this new environment depends on your ability to adapt and build these systems. Subscribe to the channel to continue learning the strategies used by the top 1% of AI users.